Assalamu alaikum dear listener. Today I'm going to tell you the story of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam meeting with Allah. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, wearing a simple robe and carrying a wooden staff, is seen walking through a cold and dark desert night with his wife. The landscape vast, with towering sand dunes and a star-filled sky. The atmosphere feels mysterious and quiet. Musa sees a glowing fire on top of Mount Sinai in the distance. He points toward it while talking to his wife, deciding to approach and find warmth or guidance. The fire looks unusual, brighter and more divine than a normal flame. As Musa reaches the fire, he sees a green tree burning but not turning to ash. Suddenly a powerful voice calls out from the tree. "O Musa, I am your Lord. Remove your sandals, for you are in the sacred valley of Torah." Musa looks in awe and reverence. Allah commands Musa to throw his staff on the ground. As he does, it transforms into a huge lifelike serpent, moving rapidly. Musa steps back in fear, but Allah reassures him to pick it up, and when he does, it turns back into a staff. Allah commands Musa to place his hand inside his cloak and pull it out. As he does, his hand glows with bright, divine light shining like the sun. Musa looks at it in amazement, realizing this is another miracle from Allah. After witnessing these miracles, Musa humbly asks Allah to send his brother Harun as his helper. Allah accepts his request and commands him to go to Pharaoh and demand the release of the enslaved Israelites. Musa looks determined yet slightly nervous, knowing he has a great mission ahead. For watching more videos, please subscribe this channel.